Activating your Cash App card is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. So to activate your Cash App card, the first thing you need to do is open up the Cash App support site. Then follow the described steps to activate your Cash App cash card using the QR code. First of all, tap on the Cash App card tab on your Cash App home screen. Then tap on Activate your cash card. After that, tap OK when your Cash App asks for permission to use your camera. Now scan the QR code. But if you don't understand the process this way, scroll down and you will see the tutorial video. If you no longer have the QR code, then you have to follow these steps. And first of all, tap the Cash Card tab. Then tap the green Activate button. Right after that, tap Missing QR code. So enter the CVV located on the back of your physical card. You can also see the video tutorial from here.